will try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and food category and facilities also. And property location and there is some nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to bring in photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. One category of rooms is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several rooms and offers are available online for this property, along with various suite plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, check description of the video. If you are facing this kind of problem in your own business property, contact us by connecting to help you. If you have already visited this property, share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again